How to increase your Snapchat score fast. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. In your Snapchat, you will see a plus sign icon. Just tap on it and scroll from this list. At the below, you will see multi-snap. Just tap on it. Now here you can select multiple snap. You can even record a video if you want. Now you can select up to 8 videos and photos, so go ahead and do that. Now the limitation for the snap is 8. So after it is completed, just go ahead and tap on next. Then go ahead and send the snap to everyone that is present on your list. Once you do that, your Snapchat score will increase automatically if you go and check it. Now there is another hack as well. The another hack is to quick add all of the people. Just tap on the plus sign icon at the top. Now from here, you can add all the people that you can see in your quick add. By doing that also, your snap score will be increased. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.